Okay, so now once I'm logged in here, I'm probably going to go to ChatGPT. So to do this, I'm just gonna search out ChatGPT, not chat. Okay, Chat GPT, like that, and then the first link you see right here, probably. Okay, so now here you see I've already signed in. For you probably have to sign in. So now I'm just gonna send it a message. I'm gonna say write a kid's story, probably about let's say a horse, in about 200 words. We don't want it too long or too short as well. 200 is a perfect number. I'm just gonna fix this A right here. Then I'm just gonna send the message. Just thinking about it for a second. And voila! ChatGPT has now written a story for us. Cool, huh? Now you can just read through it. So, once upon a time in the lush green meadow and so on. So this is probably a really good story. So now we have to turn it into images. So I'm just gonna open a new tab right here. And then go to Leonardo AI. So the thing right here, I'm just gonna click enter. So now I'm just gonna click launch app, close the other tab. And then now we see we've gone to Leonardo AI. You need to sign in as well. I've already signed in. I'm just gonna go to 3D animation style, because we're making 3D animation, and generate with this model. Now you see I've already have this prompt. Hyperrealistic 8K Ultra HD Pixar style, Disney style, cinema style, and AR32. 3:2, sorry. So that's how it goes. So you probably have to like copy this down onto your prompt as well, or then it's not going to like get the pictures we see right here. And you have to write AR32 as well. So these are the other models I've made. So I'm just gonna load more previous generations. You might not see this, and you may remember Zombie from Zombie the Wonder Kid. I made it using Leonardo AI. So now this is your personal feed. I'm just gonna go back, and then what I'm gonna do is to put a comma here, and then just read through it once. We need a lush green meadow. I'm just gonna type in picture a lush green meadow, probably. Okay, picture a lush meadow. And then we need a horse. So I'm just gonna write with a horse. Not a hose, sorry. My spelling's bad today. I'm just gonna set the spacebar right there. Picture a lush meadow. Oh, actually a lush green meadow, because we need it to be green, not yellow or orange or something like that. So that's gonna use 16 tokens. I'm gonna turn off alchemy and then turn off prompt magic for now. So then it only uses 2 tokens out of the 150 tokens right here. Now you see it's 148. It's taking time to load, you see right there. And then these are the nice pictures of the horse in the green meadow. They're really cool actually. I'm just gonna turn on prompt magic, sorry. And then just first we download the image. I'm just gonna download this one because it looks so good. So now you see it downloaded. Go drag and drop or upload here, and then insert the image. So now it's gonna use the same horse to every other image we create. I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT and then read the next bit. It needs rabbits, I think. So I'm just gonna picture a lush green meadow with rabbits. So rabbits. Okay, rabbits, sorry. Rabbits. So rabbits. Oh, that's a triple B. Oh yeah, okay. I'm just gonna fix that. Now what I'm gonna do is to probably add negative prompts probably now. I'm just gonna say something that we don't need in our picture. deformed bodies probably, because we don't want the horse to be like really weird. What about a night sky probably, because we don't want it to be nighttime as well. Different horses probably. Different horses, sure. Okay, I'm just gonna generate now. It's gonna take some time as well. I've got 144 tokens now. You could upgrade at any moment you wish. It's gonna take some time. So then now we have our two images. The second one looks cool because then it's 4 rabbits huddled together. I'm just gonna download this image. Go back down to prompt magic probably. And then insert the image of the rabbit. So it uses the same rabbit for every picture. Just gonna select that. Cool. I'm gonna go back and then keep on doing this. So now I'm just going to add probably with a horse. So rabbits and a horse. Now for the probably negative prompts, I need no horses because probably we need a horse, not no horses, and no rabbits because we need rabbits as well. Probably only one rabbit. So we need more than one rabbit, sorry. Now I'm just gonna generate it. Okay, so now we have these images after you're done. So firstly, these are the images. I'm just gonna show you the carrots stuff in the middle. Okay, so yeah, these are the images. The horse comes the rabbit to help, and then all the people will get happier. They show the carrot patch, and then all the other animals come looking for him for help, and then the meadow is a peaceful place. Cool. Okay.
In the next video, we will be animating these images to make it look nice. See you then.